Innovation shapes the future. YUHUAN CNC Machine Tool Company Limited. After 2-decade innovation and accumulation, YUHUAN has been pursuing for high-quality CNC technology and sparing no efforts to explore ways to excel. From China's first 580A CNC vertical double surface grinder to the honor of being one of China's top 10 enterprises in the machine tool industry, from the rising newcomer in the machine tool industry to the industrial leader repeatedly overcoming the world's technical problems, YUHUAN has been making progress on the path of revitalizing national industry by adhering to professionalism and entrepreneur's missions. As a national high-tech enterprise, YUHUAN is a national leading high-end equipment manufacturer, mainly engaged in CNC grinders and intelligent equipment manufacturing. YUHUAN boasts of modern production workshops with 4 CNC machine production lines that are overall advanced throughout the industry. The company's machine production and output are almost 100% CNC. The company's comprehensive strength ranks top in China's CNC grinder industry and successively gained honors such as China's Outstanding Enterprise in Machinery Industry, China's Most Influential Brand Enterprise in Machinery Industry, one of China's top 10 enterprises in machine tool industry, winner of China's Centennial Achievement Award in Internal Combustion Engine Industry, major implementing enterprise of National Torch Plan, and National Science and Technology Support Program, etc. YUHUAN has been leading technical development through independent innovation and successfully developed 4 major series of more than 30 leading products during the years. And the company has become a China strength that cannot be ignored in the global precision CNC grinder industry. YUHUAN has been playing a leading role in China's grinder technology and market, and its CNC double surface grinders, CNC camshaft grinders, CNC air valve grinders, special processing equipment, and other machines for piston ring have been rated as national key new products and become the preferred key equipment for technological transformation in the automobile and IT industries, and aerospace industry, and the military industry, etc. As YUHUAN's technically leading core products in China, YHDM 580B vertical double surface grinder is able to widely apply to high-efficient precision processing of super hard, ultra-soft, ultra-brittle, ultra-thin materials, and other kinds of materials that are difficult to process. The technical parameters of YUHUAN's key products reach internationally advanced levels, and the company's upgraded YHDM 580B1 full CNC and high-efficient double surface grinders have integrated the online detection and automatic and manual loading and unloading technologies, which greatly enhances the double surface grinder's processing precision and efficiency. And the machines have become a new generation ideal equipment for grinding and processing the super hard and ultra brittle materials. YUHUAN has been dedicated to the precision grinding and polishing technology for over 10 years, and its product lineups mainly cover 4 series: the single surface grinder and polishing machines, double surface grinder and polishing machines, high precision vertical double surface grinders, and complex surface magnetorheurological polishing machines. YHM 77110 high-precision vertical double surface grinders that are specially designed for the grinding process of ultra-hard and other kinds of materials that are difficult to process, boast of 0.5 nanometer processing precision, which has passed a scientific and technological achievement evaluation organized by China Machinery Industry Federation. YUHUAN's relevant technical indexes have overcome the world-class problem and successfully solved China's technical bottlenecks of grinding the sapphire and other kinds of ultra-hard and ultra-thin materials. The complex surface magnetoheliological polishing machines independently developed by YUHUAN have specially adopted the magnetoheliological polishing technology to overcome the conventional processing techniques' drawbacks of inability to mass produce, and revolutionarily changes the polishing, processing, and production mode of ultra-hard and ultra-brittle materials. YUHUAN's affiliated company, Hunan YUHUAN Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, is a high-tech enterprise centering on intelligent processing technology and professionally engaged in the R&D, manufacturing and sales of industrial robots and provision of industrial automation, intelligent complete set equipment, and other integrated solutions. The company has successfully developed intelligent double-service grinder production line, full automatic packaging line, YHSK MGF 160 eye drops coordinated filling line, full automatic glass wiping machine, servo manipulator, and other series of intelligent equipment. The company has been researching the integration of precision grinding and cutting-edge products and complete set equipment with intelligent manufacturing technologies and providing customers with customized optimal precision manufacturing plus intelligent solutions under the national strategy of strengthening the country by promoting the industry and fulfilling the mission of industrial revitalization. YUHUAN has made an industry blueprint of machine tool plus intelligentization, which opens a chapter of YUHUAN's intelligent manufacturing. Technology is the result of human wisdom, and technological progress is the driving force of everlasting creation and innovation. YUHUAN boasts a professional scientific research team of highly educated, skilled, and experienced talent. The team has been undertaking the company's technological innovation missions and has successfully developed many new products and won many China Machinery Industry Federation Science and Technology Progress Awards and Hunan Provincial Science and Technology Progress Awards. The company has been rated as Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, and the company owns China's first Provincial Engineering Technology Research Center of Precision CNC Grinder, and academicians and experts workstation. For years, with industrial and academic research cooperation with Hunan University, Central South University, Dalian University of Technology, National Engineering Research Center for High-Efficiency Grinding, and many other scientific research institutions, YUHUAN's technological innovations are driven by market demands and scientific research methods, and its core technical advantages have been leading in the industry. Meanwhile, as the leading brand in China's CNC grinder industry, YUHUAN has participated in national and provincial scientific research projects and research topics for many times. In the recent 3 years, the company has developed more than 20 new products that have passed national ministerial level scientific and technological achievement evaluation and deemed internationally advanced and domestically leading. The company has possessed over 100 patents for invention and various intellectual property rights and proprietary technologies, which have become a token in China's technical fields of CNC grinding and intelligent manufacturing. In the future, all YUHUAN people will constantly adhere to its entrepreneurship of responsibility, loyalty, and dedication, and keep the tenet of pursuit for excellence and keep moving forever in mind on the path to the leading enterprise in the high-end equipment manufacturing industry and during the course of YUHUAN's brand internationalization. The era of intelligent manufacturing has arrived, and in the global industrial innovation and economic restructuring process, YUHUAN's new era is coming. In the future, all YUHUAN people will constantly adhere to the business philosophy of creating the maximum values for customers and strictly stick to the business tenet of expanding the industry based on innovation and gaining the market with good quality, to bravely and enthusiastically head for the great journey of achieving advanced manufacturing and revitalizing national industry to realize the industrial dreams. We deeply believe that in the following years, all YUHUAN people will create a promising future through their wisdom and effort in the journey of realizing dreams. A professional provider of precision grinding and technological solution for intelligent manufacturing.